How's it going, everybody? Today I got a 2024 Ford Maverick. I'm going to show you guys how to take out a transport mode. I'm going to show you what that looks like with the key on. As you can see on the center, transport mode active, transport mode on the instrument cluster right there, contact dealer. So what you're going to do is hit the gas pedal 5 times. Brake pedal, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're gonna hit the hazards 4 times, on and off twice. And that'll take it. As you can see, the radio starts to activate. When you open and close the door, the dome lights will go on and off. And then you're gonna wanna turn the ignition on. This is a hybrid. And it says ready to drive there. And you are now out of transport mode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the ignition off. Allow this to close. Allow it to shut down. Let's try it to make sure that is deactivated. And as you can see, all the electronics work, radio and everything on the center. All these buttons will start working. And that's how you take it out of transport mode. If this helps, please leave a like, subscribe. Have a good one.